Hey! Morning.
All right, how you going?
So I head down south for the weekend to catch up with Jared at Shelley Cove to throw up the drones and capture some dope aerials. Alright, so Jared sighted some whales out there and he thinks they're going around to Sugarloaf Bay, so we're going to head around there and go hopefully see some whales. Yeah. Keen as you! Alright, let's head over there and see what we can find. Alright, so Sugarloaf is hands down my favourite spot to come down south. I'll just show you, like, you can see how beautiful it is and why I love it down here so much. I'm going to throw up the FPV drone. I've only got 2 batteries left, I think, but I reckon I get some cool shots of the rock and potentially flying through some stuff. So Jared's currently sighting for some whales. Hopefully he can spot some, fly and get them, but hopefully get some cool FPV shots as well. So let's do it! So just through the FPV drone, I got some sick shots. I had noticed there's a bit of jello, so I'm gonna have to work on my GoPro mounting. I'll actually try and mount the GoPro Hero 7 on it, so I'll just get the hyper smooth, because that'll be sick. And it means I can shoot 4K 60 as well. But like, seriously, check this out. Like, how can you not love seeing this? Every single time, absolute love down here. So keen to do more FPVing at spots like this, because it hasn't been done before, so super keen. See you again.
Same here.
We'll see you around.
Will do. Hopefully it's a bit warmer.
I know, hopefully. Alright, see you man.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're up nice and early again. About to go another sunrise mission. So I think we're going to go down to... Where are we going to go? We're going to go down to a Bombing Rock, or Point PK. We'll check out there and maybe along that path there. Shush! What are you doing? A few clouds coming in, so should make for some good shots. Let's do it.
Seriously guys, if you are not a morning person, I would 100% recommend doing it, trying it out. Just, I don't know, there's nothing better than getting up early. Like, it is so quiet, there is no one else around, and like, you get to witness the best colors in the world. It's just starting to like crest now and starting to get the colors through. What I'm thinking is to jump up there and do some FPV droning, maybe like flying over the hills and then bombing down onto the beach and like skimming on the beach sort of thing. So try it out, see what happens, and we'll see what it looks like. These colours are just getting absolutely sick, and I was going to wait a bit longer, but I only got 8 batteries, so I'm going to quickly throw the drone off and start shooting. Check it out! Oh, here we go. We found it. Let's peek around. This is insane. This looks so good. The shots are going to be killer. So we had our first disconnect. I'm trying to find it. I think it landed somewhere over here. It fell somewhere here. And switch to beef run. Oh my god. Oh, only one bent prop. But she's alive and she didn't end up in the water. Wow, that was really close. It's like, oh, there's water just there. Literally almost landed in the water. It's probably like a meter away from landing in the first bit of water. And the waves are absolutely like smashing. So I was freaking out that the waves would come and wash it away, but got it back. Only one bent prop. Alright, so yeah, unfortunately we had a few things break, but all good. The worst thing that could happen would be for it to drown. Actually, there's a lot worse things that could happen, but I'm just glad it didn't drown, so I can just fix it and come back next time and keep going again. The first upgrade is probably going to be a crossfire module because it freaks me out not knowing when it's going to cut out, and just like then it just suddenly cut out. Like I'd flown over there before, I don't know what I did differently. Obviously maybe like the angle I was on or something got in the way, I don't know, something just happened and just cut. And that is when you start freaking out, because it's like you want to know when it's about to cut, or when you start getting low, then you can either turn around or change your maneuver or do something to avoid it, sort of thing. But it has been an absolutely amazing morning. I'm so glad I came down. I was lying in bed this morning, I was like, I could just sleep in, I could just, knock it up. And then I was talking to Jared yesterday and one of the other guys that we saw down at Sugarloaf, and I kept saying, like you always regret it when you don't get up. And you plan to go up and then you're like, oh, I'll just sleep in, and then it's just a banger sunrise or banger sunset if you don't go. So I was super glad that I came down and got all the shots. Seriously. What a view. And that's where I was up there. Just perched up, loving it. So guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comments below what was your favorite bit. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button down here and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I release a new video. And as always, stay creative, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.